In February, private sector job creation has hit a worrying low, with only 77,000 new jobs added. That's a stark drop from January's revised figure of 186,000 and well below the expected 148,000. This is the smallest increase we've seen since July, and it raises serious concerns about our economic health. As companies pull back on hiring, fears are mounting that we might be heading toward a slowdown. Adding to the anxiety are President Trump's tariff plans, which could trigger another wave of inflation. It's a troubling time, and we need to pay close attention to these trends as they unfold.